So tingnan natin, balik tayo sa mga stock picks mo for 2024. What are top stocks
Medyo umakyat na,
personal?
our 2024 outlook, we released nung December. And pero same pa rin naman ang top pick namin. It's still the banking industry.
Banking
And ang
industry.
pinakamura dyan is Metrobank. So why do we like the banking industry? We think that during 2023, when interest rates were going up, they were able to mitigate the cost of that by passing it on. So, if you had a car loan or you had a mortgage, you would have felt it. Na-feel mo umakyat yung interest rates mo. And so they were able to mitigate that cost. And now that we are starting our recovery, maybe interest rates have peaked. Hopefully, once interest rates starts to go down, the banking sector will be very, very critical in providing these loans as companies reinvest. Even small and medium enterprises start to invest, start to build. And then with expectations of interest rates going down, we see that their loan books starting to grow as well. So Metrobank is the cheapest stock in that sector. But of course, any of the large three, BDO, BPI, Metrobank, we think will benefit this year.